Hey guys, it's Skye. So welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an install, a regular. At first I really didn't even want to do a hair install because listen, I'm experiencing cramps right now. I'm just really going through it. So I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even want a wig on my head. Like I don't want anything on my head except this bonnet. But then I was like, girl, just do it. So here we are. I'm gonna be installing my Elfin 30-inch lace frontal wig. I'll leave the link and everything down below. It's not sponsored. I did pay for this with my own money, with my own coin. I could actually give you guys an honest, straightforward review about this hair because this is not straight out of the package. Like, I've worn this hair maybe my third or my fourth time installing this, like reinstalling this wig. So I've worn this like quite a few times. But yeah, so that's all I have to say for the video. I'm gonna be doing some crimps. I'm gonna be using my Bad Head Wave Artist crimper. The last time I did crimps with this wig, I used some spritz because I didn't have any got-to-be just to keep the crimps in for a little bit, but I'm not gonna be doing that this time. Before we get into this video, make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share the video, like do all of that. Like, I'm not doing this for nothing. Like, I'm doing this for y'all. So share it with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with your dad if he cares, and share it with your auntie and everyone. And let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna interrupt really quickly. I plan on doing 2 braids going down and then having the rest out. So because of that, I'm gonna just quickly part out. Well, I already did on this side, but I'm gonna part out on the other side. I'm just gonna leave a little bit of hair, probably like a centimeter worth of hair, not a lot, just enough to cover the tracks or the bundles behind the frontal, but I just followed the frontal all the way down to the ear tab. I'm putting aside the frontal, the part that I'm gonna be braiding down, and I'm just gonna crimp the rest. And I'm gonna do a middle part, so I already have a pre-plucked and everything middle part here. And you guys are gonna see me do exactly what I did on this side onto this side, so. Okay, I'm back again. Now I know I mentioned that I'm not going to be using any heavy sprays or anything heavy on my hair, but I am going to go in with some mousse and some spritz just for the top of the hair, not for the rest of the hair, just the top. Okay, I'm back. So now that we're done with crimping the back behind the frontal, we're gonna go ahead and just do some braids. Just 2 cornrows down the side of the frontal. I am gonna make this a butterfly braid, so I will be tugging at the braid a little bit after I finish braiding it. You'll see what I mean. So we are done, we are finito. I should actually get into the specs of, that's what I was forgetting. I wanted to get into the specs of the wig a little bit before I jumped in and installed it. Okay, so I am back with what it came in actually. So what I actually like about Elfin hair is that they always send their hair, wigs, bundles, whatever, in this like little satin pink bag. So it just comes with this little bag, it comes with their little website and their name, blah 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 blah, and it has like a little drawstring. So inside of the bag, I kept everything just so that I can make a video. I already made a video with this wig, like my initial reaction and cutting off the lace and everything, but I didn't like how it came out, so I just like discarded it, and that's why I'm making this video now with me installing it. So per usual, it comes with this little pan flick thing. It has like the products that it comes with and the do's and don'ts of your hair, I believe, or is it on this one? Well, the refund policy and, you know, all of that. I actually like this little pamphlet thing. Okay, so that's one thing that comes with it. It also comes with, oh yeah, I forgot about these lashes. So it comes with these lashes that I actually planned on using, but I forgot about them. Oops. It comes with 2 stocking caps. I already used one of them. but thankfully it comes with a nude stocking cap instead of a black one. I hate when companies send a black stocking cap with hair. Like, it also comes with instructions right here. They always show like how to style it. They show what kind of dyeing products you should use. They show how to measure your hair, the right shampoos, the right conditioners. Like, they show everything that's best for their hair, which is perfect. And yeah, it's just really helpful. Okay, so that's what it comes with, and of course it comes with a little plastic baggie here. I kept it just for the sake of this video, and it came with a little hand tag, and it said Elfin hair and then 30 inches right there. It came with a removable elastic band, so it's pretty much, it literally looks like a bra strap that you could just clip onto your wig, which I love. Elfin hair does it. Dole Hair Mall also does it. I think you have to like choose glueless wig or something. I don't know if they send it with all of their wigs, but both of those companies do it, and I absolutely love that option. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it could be just because I ordered a large wig, which is kind of out of, I usually get like small or medium, but this time I was like, let me see what a large is like on me. It's pretty much in the back. It always just undoes. It always undoes it. It always undoes itself. Ugh. Whatever, it comes out. The elastic band pretty much comes out, and I hate that. It's so annoying. So yesterday I went in and I sewed the elastic band to the wig cap so that it wouldn't be coming out and undoing and all of that stuff. Like, I hate that. Like, it irks my soul. If you just want to skip to the installment, you can. I would say I'm gonna put a timestamp, but I probably won't because girl, watch the video. Thank you. Okay, so here we have our wig. The crimps are looking so cute, so juicy. No, but so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. 30 inches, like I said. I think this is a 13 by 4. At the inside, or the construction of the wig is looking like. It comes with 3 combs on top. Comes with a comb at the bottom, 2 adjustable straps, and then here is what I was talking about with the removable elastic bands. Like I said, I did sew it down to the wig cap. So this is sewn together, that's sewn there, and that's sewn there. So I wouldn't be able, it was not coming out, like it's secure there. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, there's a wig comb at the bottom. If you guys can see it, probably not. But that's pretty much the construction of the wig. Now let's go ahead and let's get into installing this wig. As I'm installing it, I might talk about how I feel about the wig, because yeah, I might just do that. Let's go. Okay, I know my hair is looking a hot mess. Do I care? Not really. Kind of, whatever, it doesn't matter. Well, I'm gonna use some original hair mayo on my hair. I'm also gonna use some castor oil on my hair, on my natural hair, just to revitalize it a little bit. So I'm just growing my hair back, and if you guys want like a cute little journey on that, let me know. If not, I'd probably still film it anyway. To get the stocking cap to blend a little better is I like to go in with the Fit Me Matte Poreless 360 Mocha Powder. It's from Maybelline. You can get it at the local beauty supply store if you care to. And I'm gonna use this rusty dusty brush that I always use to apply the powder. I actually want to get some new glue, but I'm just gonna use Ghost Bond for now. Like, oh my god. If you know, you know, but okay guys, so that is all. That is it. We are finito. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is exactly how it turned out. All I ended up doing was on the 360 Fit Me foundation right over here, the powder foundation right over here, and then I went in with some Revlon medium deep little concealer. I put it right in the middle here. If you like the results of my hair, make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe. Like, just do it. Just subscribe, just like it, just comment. Like, I know full well you liked how this came out. I hope. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.